Now, 7 weather with meteorologist Julie Durda.
Good Wednesday morning, South Florida. We have made it halfway through the work week and we're waking up to partly cloudy skies out there. Some of you have been seeing some speedy showers moving in off that ocean breeze. It is very breezy out there. You can see that over Biscayne Bay. There are advisories if you're planning on doing any boating down by the Keys. A small craft exercise caution. Headed to the beach today, there is a threat of rip currents. Let's move to local storm tracker radar, where most of the rain has pushed off in towards the Everglades, so we're finally starting to dry out throughout portions of Coral Springs, Oakland Park, Boca Raton, Fort Lauderdale, North Miami, and North Bay Village. We saw an isolated shower that has now dissipated. One more cell over the Florida Turnpike, as well as south of Miami Springs. And a lot of the rain has been concentrated down by the lower Keys. You can see a train of rain moving in with our southeast wind towards the northwest. We've got plenty of tropical moisture just to the south of us that's moving in towards the Keys this morning. In Miami, we've got a temperature of 85 degrees. The wind's moving in from the east-southeast at 13 miles per hour. Relative humidity of 72%, so it feels like 93. In Fort Lauderdale, 85 degrees with a feels like temperature of 93. And in the Keys, Key Westing, the rain with a temperature of 84. Southeast wind at 9 miles per hour. It feels like 94 degrees. It's 85 in Pompano Beach as well as Oakland Park, Pembroke Pines, Kendall, and Miccosukee. Good morning to in Hialeah with a temperature of 83. So we've got that frontal boundary moving into the southeast region, and that's allowing our wind flow to move in from the southeast. Reason being, we have high pressure in place over the Gulf of Mexico, drifting more towards the south. Our winds are feeding into that frontal boundary, as you can see that on the satellite and radar composite. For us, we're seeing some speedy coastal showers this morning. By the afternoon, with our steering winds moving in from the east, that will push the showers and thunderstorms away from the metro and coastal areas, and that will allow us to heat up. Highs today very similar to what we saw yesterday, in the lower 90s, so it feels like temperatures will be in the triple digits. Going into the end of the week, that frontal boundary will move into the northern portions of the state, allowing for high pressure to drift to the south. That will then veer our winds in from the southwest, tapping into that tropical moisture and bringing it right here over the area. For the tropics, we are watching Tropical Storm Ophelia, wind sustained at 45 miles per hour. It's 1,370 miles east of the Leeward Islands. The system is expected to head straight towards the islands as we go into the weekend, bringing some rain throughout portions of the northern Leeward Islands and Puerto Rico. We are going to keep our eyes on it. For now, it looks as though it will stay as a tropical storm. Back home here, threat of rip currents at the beaches. The bay will be to moderate chop for Miami-Dade and Broward. For you in the Keys, small craft exercise caution. Nearshore waters will be choppy. Highs today in the lower 90s with fast-moving showers possible. Lows in the mid to upper 70s near 80 degrees. Rain chances increase. You're going to need those umbrellas by the end of the week, and fall begins on Friday. Have a great day.